Hello, hello, guys!
Look at this movie, it's called Toy Story.
Yeah, Toy Story of Terror. Wow.
And look at the back. You see the back? There's a fool in a picture.
Nice, huh? And wow, Hulyan, you have a new gun?
Yeah, look at the sound.
Freedom Defender Rifle.
But look at the sound.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
Sound.
Maya, sunbathing?
That's my favorite song, Daddy.
So hot.
Oh, it's so hot?
That's my favorite
Yep.
sound.
It's a hot day today.
That's my favorite sound.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I like the sound of this gun.
Maya, are those little pony? Huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
But you got
Who are those? What is her name? This one.
Kai.
Fluttershy.
But that one is longer, but this one has a short horn.
Okay, so what's her name? That one.
Twilight.
Princess.
Twilight?
Yeah, you can take a clown too.
Okay. How about the white one that's still inside the box? Queen Marian?
No, King Tyrion.
What?
King Tyrion.
No, that's Rarity.
Yeah, Rarity. I see it on the box. How about the orange one?
Applejack.
Applejack.
The pink one, Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie.
The white, the blue one,
Rainbow Dash.
The white one.
What's her name, Maya?
Rarity too.
Rarity? Oh, okay.
Mine's too very.
Alright.
One's squeaky one and one that's...
Oh, that is Lady! Lady Wooden Railway. Nice, Maya girl.
Hey, Auntie. No, that's mine. No, let's open my gun.
Toy Story of Terror. Haha.
Mommy, can you please open this box?
Yeah! Wow! Wow, that's nice, Hulyan.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah. Are you a soldier?
I have one little gun and two and three big guns now.
Hulyan, are you a soldier?
No.
No? Okay. Whoa, nice collection, Maya.
Yay, Maya.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, I got the velvet gun. No.
Wait lang, Hulyan.
Yan, stop it. Stop the cookies. There's coming cookies. Wait.
Rarity.
But how about my toy gun? Open my toy gun.
Alright.
Open my
Nice.
Mommy, open my toy gun.
Nice, huh? Nice collection, Maya girl.
Mommy, open the toy gun.
Alright. Freedom Defender Rifle.
Yeah, freedom.
Adventure Force.
Adventure Force. I'm a soldier.
Working flashlight. Flashing lights. Cool.
Flashing light.
Oh. 10 bullets included. That's nice. Ejecting shells. Realistic movement. Ejecting shells. Flashing lights. Push button to release magazine. Load bullets into magazine. Insert magazine back into gun. But you have to pull the trigger in short bursts to avoid jamming. Freedom Defender Rifle. Removable stock. Push button to release stock. Detachable magazine. Detachable flashlight. Nice. Working flashlight. Cool. Nice. Alright, unboxing time.
Hello.
Unboxing moment. Ooh, there you go. That's a big rifle for you, boy.
Yeah,
Hulyan's new toy gun. Hulyan's new toy gun. Ooh, the bullets.
yeah, the bullets.
The bullets.
How can you press the button?
Oh, Hulyan. So, the bullet shells will come out from this place.
Yeah, from this place. I know that.
Nice. Alright, let's pull the magazine out.
Mommy.
There you go.
Mommy, I made that.
Hulyan putting the bullets. Nice. There you go, you got it.
Okay.
Nice.
Oops, wrong way.
That's awesome, Hulyan. Okay, Hulyan, it's time to put the magazine back into the gun.
Yeah.
There you go. Woo!
Yeah.
Okay, Hulyan, try it. Whoa, nice. It's okay, Hulyan, just let it go. One more. Whoa! Yay! Woo! That is so cool. Nice.
I think that's it.
That's it. 6 bullets, right? 6 bullets.
Let me get it.
Nice, Hulyan.
Oh, that's all. Wait. Okay.
Well, anyway, kids, you can only put 6 bullets in the magazine.
Yeah.
There are 10 bullets included, but you can only put 6 bullets in the magazine.
Yeah. Okay. Again.
It's like a real gun, Hulyan.
Yeah. This is it. Go, go, go. Let's go home.
It got jammed.
Ding.
It's okay. Mommy will fix it. Mommy, fix it. Fix it. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Now.
Here are the other 4 bullets. Alright. Shoot the enemy. Whoa!
Lucky.
Ah! It's okay, Hulyan. Just let it go. Whoa! 3 bullets. 4. 2 more. 5. Nice!
I think that's it.
Yeah, 6 bullets. That's it. That's nice, Hulyan.
Thank you.
That's a cool gun.
Yeah.
It's like a real gun, Hulyan.
Hooray, hooray.
Nice.
Oh, that's okay.
Flashlight. Woo, cool. Pull the trigger, Rhea. Nice. Haha, cool.